Things first is you're going to want to go down here and you're going to want to restart the operating system. Go to restart. First thing you want to do as soon as you get to the splash screen is you're going to cut the power straight off to the computer, either by pulling the battery or holding down the power button until it completely shuts off. Now, once the computer shut off, restart. You are going to want to click on Launch Startup Repair. Basically, this is a tool on your computer for if you lost power, you have files that have been corrupted or anything like this. This is able to go in and help you fix those files. So we're looking for the vulnerability here. Going to pop up, it's going to tell you the computer was unable to start. It's going to try to figure out what the problem is. Okay, it's going to say, do you want to restore your computer? You're going to say no. This might take a little bit. Okay, so after a good, I'd say about 15 minutes, finally brought us up to the screen that we were waiting for. Like I said, you couldn't get out of that last screen. You just kind of let it go through. Now it says startup repair cannot repair this computer automatically. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down here. It says view problem details, and this is where the vulnerability is located at in all of Windows. This is why you should rely on more than just the Windows passwords to secure any of your data if you have any really vulnerable data on your computer, because this is how you can get in. You're gonna go scroll all the way down, and then it's going to say view the online privacy statement right here. You're going to click on that. This is going to bring up Notepad. Now whenever this brings up Notepad, this basically creates a link behind the password. It basically brings up a program in front of the password, and if you know what you're doing, you're able to hack into this. You're going to go straight to File, you're going to go to Open. Whenever you open up, right here is where it's at. You're going to go to Computer, and then you're going to come over here and where it says Local Disk. It could give it different names, there's C, X, and then there's D over here, but it has to say Local Disk. Open up your local disk, open up Windows, and then once you're under Windows, you're going to scroll down until you see System 32. If anybody knows anything about anything, System 32 is basically your Windows files all together. Now after you click on System 32, you're going to go down here to File Type. You're going to go to All Files. This is going to allow you to view all the files under System 32, which is a lot of files. Now the first file you're going to be looking for, sethc. I'll put an annotation on here. So you're going to type, there it is, sethc. Now this is an application. This is basically your sticky note application. You want to go into that. You're going to want to rename this sethc-1. And basically, it's just a reminder so that you can go back through and reset this. Basically confuses the computer is what we're going to do. We're going to confuse it to open up a different application when it's supposed to open up another application. Alright, the next file that we're looking for is going to be in the same place. We're going to be looking for a command file. It should be just labeled CMD. Okay, so I located the command file. First thing that you're going to want to do, you're going to want to copy this, and then you're going to want to paste it. Alright, and you're going to want to rename this file sethc. Now basically, in turn, what you've done is you've tricked the computer into opening this command file, or this command prompt, instead of opening the sticky key application. Right, once you've finished that, you're going to go ahead, you're going to close out. here, close out of here, click don't send, click finish. Alright, now we're going to use the hack that we put inside the computer, basically to trick the computer into pulling up the command prompt. If you did everything correctly, you should be able to press Shift 5 times to open up the command prompt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. There you go. You're going to go ahead and type in net user, and this is going to pop up all the different users that you have on here. As you can see, you have your administrator, compact, or guest. Compact, I believe, is the one that we should be under. And so we are going to go under net user compact. Alright, so we're going to type in net user, and then this one right here is going to be the one that we're going to go after. It's the compact. So we're going to type net user compact and star. No. What the hell just happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Net user compact. Enter. Type a password for this user. We're going to type in poop. It's not going to show up on there. Anytime you type in if you need passwords in there, it's not going to show up on anything. Now if I did this correctly, should be able to just type poop in, and boom, there you go. We're in. And that's how you do it. Congratulations. Don't use this in any way that I haven't shown you how to use it. Please don't use this to crack in anything.